When you're feeling lost, all you need is a guiding light to bring you back to yourself. Welcome to this guided meditation that will help you do that. My name is Jackie the Life Coach, and I'm so grateful to lead you through this practice to help you reconnect with yourself, your intuition, and walk away with so much peace and clarity. With that, let's get started. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position. Place your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your belly. With every breath, feel your body. Feel your belly rise on each inhale and fall on the exhale. With each breath, you connect more and more with your body. In, hold, and out. Breathe in, hold, and out. Breathe in, hold, and out. Let gratitude wash over you for your body, to have the ability to breathe, for the breath to flow throughout your body and nourish and cleanse it. For all of the systems in your beautiful body to be working together and give you this experience. For your heart to be pumping blood throughout your body. It is so amazing. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. If your thoughts start to wander at all throughout this practice, that's okay. It's a part of the human experience, a part of the journey. Recognize those thoughts and just let them go. Bring them no attention. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel it rise with the inhales and fall with each exhale. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. In, hold, and out. Good. You're doing so great. I want you to show yourself love. Show your body love for giving you this experience. Show yourself love for taking precious time out of your day to reconnect with yourself. To feel good, to nourish yourself. It's so amazing and powerful that you're taking this time for yourself. Be proud. Breathe in, hold that love, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. As you seep deeper and deeper into this peace, I want you to picture a bonfire. This fire lights up, ignites in front of you, and it's so beautiful. You start to approach it and feel its warmth. It's so comforting. You reach your hands out to feel more of the warmth. It feels so good. Breathe it in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. You are safe. You are protected. This fire gives you light, warmth, and safety. It's here to support you. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. This fire represents your intuition, how it's always there for you, supporting you, guiding you. Sometimes we get caught up in the busyness in life and we lose touch with it. But that's okay, because it's always here for you no matter what. Feel how good it feels to be in front of it, to have it warming you, and to be supported in this way. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. Good. You may be looking for answers right now, some sort of clarity. Trust that your intuition will get you there in the right timing. It doesn't have to be figured out right now. But please take comfort in the presence of your intuition, in the warmth of spending time with it in this fire. Feel the warmth. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. You are here. You are guided. You are supported. You are beautiful. You are exactly where you're meant to be right now in this moment. Breathe in, hold, and out. Breathe in, hold, and out. Continue to feel the power of this beautiful warmth on your skin. Soak it all in. Feel how good it feels to be here in this very moment. There is nowhere else you need to be. Breathe that in, hold, and out. Breathe the light in, hold, and breathe out. You are not behind. You haven't messed anything up. There is a reason for this season of your life, and it'll make sense later. You will figure it out. It all works out for you. It always works out for you. God loves you. You are doing so much better than you think. Breathe that in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. Trust and believe that everything is working out for you. Everything works in your favor, even when it doesn't feel like it. You are on this path for a reason. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. Now, I'd like to leave some time for you to just be with your fire. Just be with your intuition. Maybe you have some questions you'd like to ask it. Maybe not. Either way, I want to leave this time for you to do what you want with it. To be in the presence of your intuition. To feel the warmth and light as you continue to breathe. You look around and you are so thankful for this fire, for being exactly what you needed. It always knows what you need. It's so amazing and so beautiful. Smile as you feel this gratitude. Breathe in, hold, and out. In, hold, and out. You did a wonderful job today. I hope you got exactly what you needed out of this practice. Your intuition always knows best. Trust it. As you readjust to the world around you and this practice begins to come to a close, remember this. Your intuition always knows best, and it is always here for you. Return to this practice whenever you need to reconnect with it. You can reach your arms above your head if that feels good to you, or you can continue to breathe and sit in this peace for a little while longer. Whatever you decide, I am so grateful that you are here, that you carved out this beautiful time for yourself and trusted me to lead you in this practice. If you enjoyed it, please like this video. I'd love to hear what the fire revealed to you in the comments below. Subscribe for more meditations like this. I'm so grateful for your support. Have an amazing rest of your day, beautiful soul.